In the United States, more than 500,000 people have lost their lives due to COVID. European Union foreign ministers have agreed to impose a sanction on Myanmar military over its coup earlier this month. UN chief calls for a global vaccination plan. President emphasizes further strengthening Pakistan ties with Uzbekistan. G7 countries formally condemn Myanmar military attacks on protesters. UN World Food Programme warns could suspend work in North Korea. Afghanistan begins the COVID vaccine campaign aimed at a surge in violence. Canada Parliament passes a motion saying China treatment of Uyghurs in genocide.